Hey y'all, so here's what I do occasionally. I do a ramen, but I do a simple ramen. So I take a bit of shumai, and that's just Chinese dumplings. You can find those at any Asian grocery store. You can use pot stickers or egg rolls for that matter. Anything else. A bit of bok choy, some roasted sesame seed, and I've got a volcano chicken ramen. You can just use top ramen too. This is just a simple way to amp up your basic ramen. I like adding dumplings of some sort. So shumai works well. It's just a basic Chinese dumpling. Go ahead and add some oil. Go ahead and load those in. You can use pot stickers as well. You can find them. Most grocery stores carry them frozen. So check out your frozen section for either or. But what you want to do is sear the bottom, and then we're going to steam it. So this is a baby bok choy, which I bought from the local grocery store. You can also find them in Asian stores and kind of all over the place now. Go ahead and chop that up. We're going to chop that up in little bits. You can use spinach as well. Spinach works great, and so does broccoli. I'm going to go ahead and add mushroom, and this is a mushroom that I got from the Asian grocery store. But go ahead and add just regular old mushrooms too. I like mushrooms in my ramen. Gives good, nice earthy taste. Go ahead and drop the ramen. Bring the water up to boil. And there's a hard-boiled egg in the bag. And there's all our ingredients. Bring this up to a boil until it's pretty much al dente. I'm going to go ahead and add our vegetables in, and then add the seasonings in. And like I said, this is volcano chicken, which I love hot sauce. So I didn't find it all that hot, but you can just use regular old ramen too. Go ahead and put your dumplings on top of this. And if you have spinach leaves or anything else, that'll make a nice addition. But boy, it's super good. So I do have a hard-boiled egg, which I threw on top of that. And that is one good soup. And that's your amped up ramen for the day. If I can do it, you can too. Pickles out.